So in this video, you learn how to enable one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to just navigate to the Settings app, and then you want to scroll and select the option Advanced Features. From here, look for one-handed mode and then select it. And then the first step in order for you to enable it is to just tap on the toggle to turn it on. Once it's been turned on, you now have two ways you can activate one-handed mode. You have the gestures. So if you're using navigation gestures, then activating one-handed mode simply means you sliding a finger down across the gesture bar like this to activate one-handed mode. However, if you switch your navigation to buttons, so let's switch to buttons, then entering one-handed mode means you double tapping on the button to enter one-handed mode. Again, even if you're using the buttons navigation, you can also choose a gesture that allows you to swipe down on the button to activate or deactivate one-handed mode. So it's up to you to decide which option you'd prefer to use on your Z Fold 7. Then once you've made your choice, you can now start using one-handed mode on your phone. So just double tap on the button or swipe down on the gesture bar, and then you'll have successfully entered one-handed mode. So from here, you can now go ahead and continue using your phone as normal. But bear in mind, some apps do not support one-handed mode. So for example, if you try to play a game, it will take you back to full screen as games don't support one-handed mode. But if you have other things available, so say for example, you're in one-handed mode and you want to text, you can just go ahead and open the messaging app and continue texting a person. And then you can open the multi-view window and just use your phone as normal. If you want to exit one-handed mode, use the same gesture that you used to enter, just double tap or swipe down, and you'll have successfully exited one-handed mode. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.